Guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In this video I will be sharing with you a forex trading strategy that can help you to make up to $200 profits on daily basis. You heard that right, a forex trading strategy that can help you to make up to $200 on daily basis. Actually, in this video we will be checking out how I analyze the markets using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, and of course with it we will be giving out an information on what to go for whenever we are trading. We've been doing this for the past few weeks and so many people have always been making lots and lots of profit right from there. We started with $100 profit and we noticed that most people were able to make more than $100 profit on daily basis. Right now we have change it over to $200, and right now we've started seeing, as at last week we saw about 2 to 3 people making more than $300 using the same strategy, which I will be sharing with you in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you guys will understand how to go about it. You will learn how to do your analysis, you will know how to set up your take profit, and of course you will know when to go into the market and when to exit the market. You will be able to generate your own signal on your own using the same trading tool which I will be using in this video. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the end, okay? But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and do your own personal practice and perfect a trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out a forex trading strategy that can help us to make up to $200 on daily basis. Okay, this is so unique. I tried to pick it up right from the smallest, right from a small profit. Then now we are at $200, and of course people are growing gradually with this opportunity. Okay, so let me quickly say this. Okay, the assets we'll be checking out are synthetic assets, and they are majorly boom and crash, and of course these are trend trading assets, so makes it very easy for us to do analysis using the trading tool, because the trading tool I will be using is also a trend trading tool. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the first thing we will be checking out is the trend. We will be checking out the trend of the market, and when the trend, we already know the rules. If you follow the rules, you will get it right. Once the trend is on downtrend, you don't even need to buy at all. Just focus on the sell market, okay, on the sell trade. Okay, and once the trend is on uptrend, you don't need to sell at all. Just focus on the buy signal. That is it. It is as simple as that. Okay, if you follow the rules, you will get it right. Okay, and of course for the support and resistance zone, it is also very, very important. Okay, once you are able to identify this, it will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, don't worry, all these are those things that we are still going to be checking within the chart. Okay, but I'm just trying to give you a kind of explanation to what we will be doing in the chart so that you will know when I am saying or dishing out some information on the chart. Okay, you even on your own, you should be able to identify your entry point and your exit point. You should be able to generate your own signal right from there, or your trading pattern right from there. Okay, and of course it is easier to sell right from the resistance zone, most especially if there is no breakout above the resistance zone, and it is easier to buy from the support zone, most especially if there is no breakout below the support zone. Then your lot size will always keep you in control of the market. Okay, in case the market is against you at that particular time, probably it was pulling back, that does not mean you are not in the right direction. You might be in the right direction, but the market might be pulling back. It is your lot size that will help you to have more confidence within the market that it will still go back into your trend, and within a short period of time you will notice that it will go back into your into your trend, and you will start making profit for yourself right from there. Now let's go straight into what we have right here. It is always important you take it gradually. You don't need to rush it, okay? You take it gradually till you are able to get it right, okay? So right from here, it started a downtrend, and you can see it's actually sold for a very long time. Got to this support zone, it pulled back and went back down again. Okay, right now it has started an uptrend because it was unable to break out from this support zone. Like I said, once it is from the support zone, it is easier for you to buy since it is not breaking out below it. So here is a major support zone, so it should start buying. I mean, you should know that it should start buying right from here, and it started buying already. So you should focus only on buy trend and not on sell trend. You can see there are no sell signals around there, even though there are bearish candles in between. If you should manage to trade some of these bearish candles, you can imagine you would have been trapped in the market and be in a lot of loss right from here. So this will still be buying more, and of course we should expect it to get to this resistance zone, even if it's going to have a major pullback, okay? And once it gets to this resistance zone, and if it breaks out from there, then definitely it should be getting to this region first. Okay, here is another take profit you should take, and of course if it breaks out from there, definitely it should get to this, which is the final take profit. Okay, so these are what we have for boom 1000, and of course which means it will be buying more. Okay, so you shouldn't sell at any point from here. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, boom 500, let's check it out. Boom 500 had actually been on downtrend before, but got to this support zone, has not been able to break out from there. So it has been playing within this channel for a very long time, but broke out from that support zone around here. Okay, around here, and of course sold till it got to this region, pull back, and also sold again till it got to this has actually gone far. Okay, but if it's unable to break out from this support zone, then it will start a buy trend right from there. So we should leave that until it starts a buy trend. Okay, so and once it starts the buy trend, of course this should be your next TP. Okay, you can see it's just spiked up. I told you if it's unable to break out from this support zone, then it will start a buy trend. So you should take note of that. Okay, so this should be your next take profit for your buy trend, and of course the next one should be around here, okay, while the next one should be somewhere here. Okay, so that is for your buy trend. Okay, and of course for next should be somewhere around here. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, so this is at the support zone already. Like I said, I don't always advise you sell from the support zone, most especially if it does not break out below the support zone. So if it breaks out below it, then you can still sell because it will have turned the support zone into a resistance zone. But for now, I won't advise you to sell at that point. You should focus more on the buy trend. You can wait for the buy signal, the trend signal to the buy trend signal to pop up before you go in. Okay, so this is our crash 1000, and of course as we have seen it has been on uptrend for a very long time. Got to this resistance zone, but it pulled back and broke out from there around there. Got to this resistance zone and broke out from there around there, but right now it has got into another resistance zone. Okay, so we need to know if it will break out above it, or it won't break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so if it does not break out above this resistance zone, then definitely if once it breaks out below this support zone, then we should expect it to sell more. Okay, and if it sells more, yes, should be your first TP. Okay, somewhere here it should be your first TP. We can have our first TP here. So if it breaks out below this, then you should sell till it gets to this region, and if it breaks out below that, then yes, should be your next TP. Okay, yes, should be your next TP. And if it should go back, should go below this, then definitely we should be experiencing another TP, another somewhere around here. Okay, so all these are very, very important, so take note of these. These are some of the things that you can use to milk the market successfully today. Okay, it seems that the market is favoring spikes today. Okay, spikes trading, it's favoring more of spikes trading today. Okay, check out this is crash of 500. This had been on a very strong downtrend for a very long time, trying to go back on uptrend after getting to this support zone, but has not been able to pull through above this resistance zone. It came down again and tried it again, still unable to pull through. It has gotten to this support zone again, and it will be trying it again. If it pulls through, good. If it does not, then definitely it will come down again to see if it will break out below this support zone. So we need it to break out above this resistance zone first. It is possible for you to trade till it gets here, but I won't advise you to do that. Let there be a breakout first. Okay, it is either it breaks out below this support zone and it will continue to sell down there, or probably it breaks out above this resistance zone. Once it breaks out above this resistance zone, then you can go in and start buying right from there. Okay, and if it breaks out above that resistance zone, then definitely you should have your TP somewhere here, and of course that is how it works. Okay, and if it breaks out above this, then you can also set another TP, another somewhere around here. Okay, so but before you take that into consideration, okay, before you take all these into consideration, you need it to break out above or below this. Okay, the breakout between these two will determine how far it will go. Okay, probably let me change the colors so that you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, let me change the color. It needs to break out either above this or below this. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Once it breaks out either above or below this, then definitely you will know the direction of the market. So guys, that is how to trade. You need to be patient in order for you to get the right trend for your trading activities. You don't need to rush yourself or force yourself in the market. Okay, most especially if you are not getting a clear signal. Okay, so that is it. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.